You got to let it go. You got to let it go. You got to let it go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go.
Good morning, y'all. I'm waiting on Dante, as usual, to come out the room. Today is Wednesday, May 29th. It's 7:04. Oh, excuse me. 7:04. I did plan on continue vlogging yesterday, but my camera died. Couldn't find my charger base so I could charge it up. So yeah, I didn't finish vlogging yesterday. When I got home, I hate this little dark mark. And I be getting all these chin hairs. When I got home, I brought pizza. The kids ate pizza. Michael left. Me and Miss Bandy, we laid across the day and we slept from 5:30 till 9:30. Yes, we slept for a long time. Brandon got 3 shots yesterday. Michael was supposed to record me at least a little small clipping on his phone because I missed it, and he didn't. So yeah, I missed Brandon getting her shots, and there was no clips of me, but there was no clips for me. But she said she did good. Michael said she didn't cry, so that's all that matters. But she was tired. I could tell she was tired. Her doctor's appointment was at 2, but I could still tell she was tired. The shots like made her weak or whatever. So I gave her some fever reducer. That's what's called. Yeah, like the little off-brand fever reducer. I gave her some of that. I'm gonna put some lotion on my face. I always have this little dry patch. Anywho, I gave Brandy some of that, and then like I said, we slept for like 4 hours. Woke up at 9:30, and I stayed up watching some movies on my phone. Let me show you guys this app. This ain't sponsored or nothing, y'all. Danny was actually telling me about the app. The name of the app is called Tubu. Let's see if you guys can see it. There you go, Tubu right there. So I stayed up watching a movie on that because I couldn't go back to sleep, y'all, because I slept for 4 hours. I didn't go to sleep till 2 o'clock this morning. I went right back up at 6. So sister girl is drained. You ready, man? What necklace, Dante? It's over there. Put that little bit of oil that's left in that container on your hair, please. I brought oil, y'all. Dante lost my bottle. I used the last bit of oil that I had. Yes, you lost my bottle. I used the last bit of oil I had.
Because I didn't move it because it was still in the car and I had it.
home, you guys. Why does it look like that? Wait a minute. There we go. I'm home, you guys. So it is. My phone keeps going on silent, y'all. It is 5:37. So I'm about to just sit up here and relax until 7. The church that I had visited before, which I showed you guys in a vlog, Family Worship Center, they're having a, what do you call it? Block party today. So Toya told me about it first, and I haven't, because I didn't go to that church last Sunday, and the Sunday before that I went to church with my mom, so I haven't been in like 2 Sundays. So she was telling me about it. It's like, okay, cool, then, you know, we ain't doing nothing, so if, as long as it's not too hot, then we'll go. So I asked Ashley, because y'all know Ashley is, well, for those of you guys who don't know, but Ashley is a member of that church. Like, she's the reason why I started going there, because she was inviting me to go there. So I asked her about it. She's like, oh yeah, they are having like a block party. And she was like, she planned on going, but she said she had like a test or something that she had to do before, which totally understand. So she was saying she had that stuff she had to do with her first, but that she definitely planned on coming. So I told her that me and the kids would definitely come if it's not too hot. I hope it's not too hot. I heard the door close, y'all. Okay, I thought I heard Michael. Anyhow, but if it's not too hot, then we'll go. But I'm going to sit up here with the laptop and go ahead and start editing next week. Let me see. Yeah, next Monday I start online school. So I need to log in and make sure that my financial aid paid, everything is supposed to pay. I need to kind of check up on everything, make sure everything is good. And I haven't logged in since I got my approval for my classes, so I kind of need to log in, make sure everything is good. If not, I need to call my advisor. But I think everything was good. She told me once I got my papers and my financial aid, they said it was approved, I was good to go.
I started with sleep at 7, right?
What? Get your clothes.
You started with sleep at 7,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, I can block that part out. Anywho, so I'm about to look and see what's going on there now. But yeah, y'all, I was looking at like some of my friends' videos. I had a little break at work, and I was like, dang, y'all, I need to get back consistent. And I know some days I'll probably like binge upload, while I upload like 2 or 3 videos in one day, but I need to get back consistent. I need to get back on the schedule. I was on the schedule, I got thrown off my schedule, and now I'm having the time of my life trying to get back on that schedule. So, and trying to, plus too, I'm having a hard time, not a hard time, but yeah, I'm having a hard time giving you guys good content. Like, I want to make sure whatever content I give you guys is good content. Y'all know, I don't want to just throw everything together and just give it to you. So that's why I haven't vlogging, because on the days I don't do anything, I don't want to just give y'all a boring vlog. I know y'all probably won't say Brittany will still watch, but you know what, y'all know what I mean. Miss Bandy, is that you? Come say hey. Come say hey, Brandy. No, but I'm asking you to come here. I know, come here, pretty girl. I redid her hair, y'all. Brandy, come here for 1 second. Hopefully she still got her clothes on. What I need her. Y'all hear this? Come here. I gotta ask her 15 times to come here, y'all. Brandy, make it quick. Not making it quick. Brandy. Come here. There you go. They want to see your pretty face and see your pretty hair. Look how pretty your hair is. Turn around so they can see the back. Ooh, woo. That thing look pretty right there, Brandy. Okay, turn around. Now don't you like she got taller. Honey, not they both like they getting taller. You gotta make that face crazy, girl. You gonna hide? Okay, she gonna hide, y'all. So crazy. You playing peekaboo with them or something? She's scaring y'all. So silly girl. Okay, let me turn it because your brother be coming out of the room with no clothes on. Okay, come closer. Come closer. Good job. You want to try these again? Okay. Try them again. Oh, snap. Go, Brandy. Good job. So you guys, I vlogged a little bit from my phone because I left my memory card here in the laptop when I was editing earlier with you guys. So I did want to do a quick shout out to, there we go. I did want to do a quick shout out to Lenora. I think that's what she said her name is, Lenora. I seen her today at the function. I know she told me. Yeah, what? The girl said give now, either any bad one. Anywho. So shout out to Lenore. I seen her today at the function and she came up and said hey to me and I was like, oh! I don't be know what to say, you guys. Like hey, how you doing? Glad to meet you. I don't be know what to say. So shout out to her. She did get to meet Brandy, but Dante was up there being a kid and she was telling me she got 2 of her own. So yeah, so shout out to her and thank you girl for coming up to speak to me. If any of you guys ever see me, come up to speak to me because I don't mind. I be talking to everybody, so I don't mind. But just wanted to shout her out really quick. So I'm about to go ahead and get this vlog edited. I got the kids Happy Meals. They had hot dogs there, but it was a little burnt. But I mean, the food was good though. The hot dogs that I had was pretty good, but Brandon wanted to eat hot dog.
I ate hot dog, Daddy.
The sauce right here. Wait, don't put no table by myself. Leave it in there.
Well. So yeah, you guys. Anywho, I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe my channel if you're not subscribed. And I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.
Flowing through my veins, taking every part. There's no